Hey everybody, it's Mr. Anthony and I'm back with another activity for today. I hope you enjoyed the previous activity, but right now, we're gonna make some things explode. We're still in the realm of chemical reactions. We're still working with vinegar and we're working with baking soda, and the chemical reaction is going to, or is supposed to, cause this bag to explode. Let's check it out. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the baking soda and we're gonna put the baking soda in the bag here, all right? Now, add the vinegar, all right? But we have to be quick about this because as soon as the vinegar hits the baking soda, it's gonna form a chemical reaction. The vinegar has hydrogen ions. The baking soda has sodium and bicarbonate ions in it. Once they come together, they create a carbon dioxide gas, and the hope is the gas fills the bag up, and as the bag fills up, the gas is gonna try to escape, and we want the pressure inside the bag to be so intense that the bag bursts open, okay? So, let's try it. Gotta be quick, because we gotta seal this, all right? Oh, and I'm not. So, we're gonna try this again. There we go. You gotta close it really quick. So, you've got options. You can use a small bag or you can use a big bag. We're gonna use a big bag. Okay? It's a little bit more sturdy and a little bit harder to pop. Alright? So let's try it. Well, the bag didn't burst, but it's definitely full of gas. All right. So right now, what's happening is when we mixed the baking soda with the vinegar, the ions that are in the baking soda mix with the ions that are in the vinegar, and they formed a chemical reaction. The chemical reaction was carbon dioxide gas being formed, and the gas inflated the bag, okay? Pretty cool, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed the activity for today. Sucks that we can't be with you guys still, but make sure that you're doing your schoolwork and make sure that you come back tomorrow and the next day to check out the fun activities that we have planned for you guys. All right? I'm Mr. Anthony. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Peace.